Okay, it's getting really bad.
Where's the squirrel?
It's right there.
There it goes. He popped through another tree. I don't think the lake's that way, but it's a big lake. So.
As you can see, you can hear the siren going off.
It's coming. Okay, film that squirrel. Where did you say the
Where's the
squirrel
squirrel?
was, Deborah?
He jumped to another tree.
Oh. The squirrel is out.
Where's the funnel cloud?
Shit. It's over Alatoona Lake. Where's the water?
They said there's a funnel cloud on. They said there's a funnel cloud on Altoona.
Oh, come on, come get here. Sonny, come on with the camera. Do you have a lighter? Well, I need one, and it's not fair. I never have one.
This is really intense.
I smoked the lake. And I don't normally smoke, but our grandmother is driving us crazy, asking me where we're going to go. And it's her fault we don't have a clean basement.
It's true, she is.
Oh, hey, look. Deborah, I need a lighter. Man, that is dark right there. Just get a few still shots.
There's been a tornado spotted on Altoona.
Hey, get all this here. There's one over Alatoona, like Sonny just said. Oh, man. Let's go talk to the neighbors.
You want me to pause it?
No. Here. Let me get some good shots. All right.
We're gonna be movie stars.
This is not what you want to be doing in a situation like this, but we're crazy, so. See,
yeah, we're crazy.
Hey, get over there.
It is really dark.
Oh, there's one over Alatoona.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's a tornado over Alatoona.
What?
There's one over Alatoona.
Oh, there is?
Yeah. Get the cloud. We're getting it on YouTube. We don't have gas, might need to go anywhere to see the storms. We have to wait for the storms to come to us.
Shit, I've been waiting on one since I was in kindergarten, and they just don't ever come.
What? What?
Grandma's flipping out. Where do we go?
What?
They're gonna go to the basement. I know where to hide. I ain't hide there.
Hi!
Hey, let me see that. Here,
just keep it still.
What?
They went to the store. That was a while back.
Whoa, it just flashed.
You know how Molly gets nervous when you have to go?
I told you to get in a safe place, pray, and you'll be cool.
My kids freak out. They start crying. We'll just shelter them up there. There ain't even a breeze out there.
Yeah. Soaking wet. Sonny says you can't zoom on here. Now, isn't that so crazy? They take the sirens off, and then they put it back on. Now here's the storm that's producing the funnel cloud, or tornado actually, and the tornado was spotted. Oh man, that looks nasty.
What?
That looks bad.
But you see the lightning flashing back behind it? Okay.
You're gonna be on YouTube. Oh.
Looks kind of good.
Misty said it's over Little River, and it's not coming in their direction or ours.
Yeah, right.
Joey's not there.
Got some serious clouds here. What? They said it.
Oh, Lord, here comes.
She said it's moving away, but I don't believe it. I'm not much of a cameraman. I'm either a producer, director, or in front of the camera. And I think we're in some serious trouble.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
Here, you know what you're doing out here. Oh man, I can't believe it. What are we doing?
Going over to Jamie's.
Why?
Just to say hello.
Oh.
We can make like a 2-part.
Hey, hey, it's gonna have to be because that's longer than 10 minutes.
Think we should pause it?
Nah.